Windows 11 start menu and search bar broken after that Firefox update. We are fixing it now. First, reset core Windows services. Open Task Manager, locate Windows Explorer and search, then restart both. Clears glitches. If that fails, the issue could be deeper. Method 2. Open PowerShell as administrator. Run a command to re-register start menu app packages. Rebuilds connections, resolves corruption. Still broken. Corrupted system files are common. Method 3. Open command prompt as administrator, type UCFC to scans and repairs damaged Windows files for stability. Finally, if Firefox triggered this, a clean reinstall is vital. Last method, uninstall Mozilla Firefox from control panel, restart PC, then reinstall latest version. Removes conflicting files. Restore your start menu and search bar now.